Hello scholars, welcome back to the number jungle. So today we're going to be solving this integral right here. The integral of 2x minus 1 times e to the x squared all over e to the x dx. Now I found it most helpful to try to get rid of this e to the x right here because it just makes things more complicated and gets in the way. So what I did to remove it is I canceled it from the top, where if we think of e to the x squared as meaning e to the x times x, we can simply cancel out that e to the x on the bottom, making this 2x minus 1 times e to the x times x minus 1. Now, I found it most helpful to solve this using u-Substitution, but there are a variety of other methods. So what I did is I set u to equal x times x minus 1, or we can also think of that as x squared minus x, making du dx equal 2x minus 1. Now do you see the balance there? That's pretty nice. So the next step is going to be constructing the integral itself, which we would be solving, which I've done to make it more convenient right down here. Now we can cross out these two as they cancel, and what we're left with is the integral of e to the u du. I can't explain why this integral got so big. The surface is weird sometimes. So it should be pretty simple to integrate e to the u du, because we're going to end up with, get this, e to the u plus c. Now the next step is going to be putting u back in, which is going to make it e to the x squared minus x plus c. And at that point we have a perfectly valid, perfectly simple integral. Thank you very much. I hope you have a better understanding of looking for the convenient route when integrating, trying to simplify things rather than sort of groping around in the darkness with the e to the x down there that could make things more complicated. So remember, simplify, simplify, simplify. Thank you very much. I hope you found this educational.